Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a shadow ban on TikTok and get your content back in front of your audience. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any crucial steps that can help you boost your engagement and get back on track. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your TikTok app on your mobile device. And once you're on the TikTok homepage, click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and this will take you to your TikTok profile. Now, once you're on your profile page, click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page and a menu will appear. Now, choose Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find Report a Problem. Here you can see this. Click on it. Now, wait for the page to load and once it is ready, scroll down and you will see this option of Chat with us. Click on it. Now it's time to submit your case. In the text box that is provided, explain that you believe you have been shadow banned and you would like TikTok to look into the matter. You can either follow the example I'm showing on the screen or you can write your own message, whichever works best for you. Now feel free to take your time here. And after you have written your message, you have the option to attach a photo or video to support your case. And if you feel that it will help, then go ahead and you can add any sort of attachments and then finally click on the send button to send your report. And that's it. You have successfully reported your issue to TikTok support. And now TikTok team will review your request and they will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.